Welcome to Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. Let's learn English series with Mrs. Kalpana Heblekar. You will be learning basic of writing capital letters. Okay. So today all of you be very attentive because we are going to start with writing on your notebooks. So I want you to keep a 4-line notebook, pencil, a sharpener and the eraser at your place. Okay. Thank you. Sairam, we'll start now how to write in the book. Okay. So today I'm going to show you how we'll write in the book. So now all the things you have to keep ready with you. Your notebook, the 4-line notebook, then eraser and then sharpener and the pencil. Okay. So now I told you in the last slide how to hold the pencil. So you should hold like this between these two fingers and with the thumb. You should fix it with the thumb. Okay. So now we will start with capital letters. So write the sentence capital letters in the heading. Capital CAPITAL. Capital letters LETTERS. Okay. Yes, capital letters. All of you have finished writing? Okay. Now let us start. See, we have learned the slanting lines, sleeping lines, curved lines, right? All that will be useful now. So the first slanting line will go from the blue line. Always start, what did I say last time? Always start from the margin. So this is your margin, okay? So now start from the margin, go up till the red line, like this. And from the red line, come down again, okay, on the second blue line. Did you see? That is A, okay. Now again go up. I'll write again A, slanting line, go from down to up to the red line, and from the red line you come down to the second blue line. Did you get it, all of you? See, A. Okay, and I also told you hold your left hand when you're writing on the book so that you will not keep on shaking the book. What happens when you shake the book? Your handwriting will be getting spoiled. Okay, did all of you get how to write A? Now we will write B. B you have to take from the red line till the second blue line, straight line, standing line. Okay, see, like this, and then do the curve. Yes, B. Beautiful curve you have to do. Okay? Yes, B. Did you get it? Yes. Again, I'll write B. See? Straight line from the red line to the blue line, second blue line, and then a curve, and then again a curve. Did you get it? Yes. Now we will go to the letter C, capital C. So start from the red line and go till the second blue line, C. Okay? Yes. So even if you are doing little bit mistake in writing for the first time, you will get it properly in the second time. So C, from the red line to the second blue line, up little bit. See, the curve should be proper. Okay? And then we will do D. D is straight line down from the red line to the second blue line only. Don't take it till the red line. Okay? So, and then you make a nice curve like this. Okay, D. Did you see? Yes. Now shall we write it again? Very good. Yes, D. Okay. So it is A, B, C, D, capital letters. I want all of you to write. Yes, finished? Okay. Now the next letter is E. So we have to start from the margin. Okay. So write E. Straight line down from the red line till the second blue line, and then you make 3 sleeping lines. Yes, 3 sleeping lines. Did you see? 3 sleeping lines. Now again we will say, write again from the red line till the second blue line, and then 3 sleeping lines, E. Okay. Now E and F is very easy, it is similar. So from the red line till the second blue line, and then we go sleeping line, 2 sleeping lines only for F. Okay. From the red line we go to the blue line and then make 2 sleeping lines. See? Yes. So have all of you written? Okay. So if you make mistake like this or something like this, then you use a eraser. You should not use your hand like this, or you should not put a little water and then you start rubbing with your finger. No, that is wrong. You should use the eraser. So eraser should be always in front of you only. Okay. Yes. E, F, then we'll go to G. Now G is like C only, but you make a nice curve. Okay. Start from the red line, up red line, touch the margin, because we are taking the new line, and then go up and then do like this. G. Did you get it? Yes. So it is like this. G. Go up, then go like this and go down. G. Okay. Then we have H. Yes. H is 2 straight lines from the red line to the second blue line, and the middle blue line you have to do a sleeping line. Okay. H. H. Yes, from the red line to the blue line, second blue line, and on the middle blue line you have to do a sleeping line. So H. Then we'll do I. Upper red line and then one straight line in the middle, and then down on the second blue line you have to do a sleeping line. Okay. So one sleeping line on the red line, then one straight line, and then sleeping line. See, when you are writing for the first time, you should always say sleeping line, slanting line, straight line, curve line, like this. Then only you will remember. Okay. H, I, then J. J is sleeping line on the red line, and then pull down the straight and do a curve like this. J. Yes, very easy, right? Yes, J. Okay. Now you write the K. So K, one straight line and then 2 slanting lines. See? K. One straight line and 2 slanting lines. K. L is very easy. Straight line from the red to the second blue line and then one sleeping line. Straight line from the red line to the blue line, and then on the second blue line do a sleeping line. L. Okay. Then we will write M. One straight line from the margin. Okay. You take from the margin. M from the red line till the blue line. Then slanting lines in between like this. And then from the red line till the blue line. Did you get it? Yes. Very good. Straight line. Yes. Then slanting lines like this, and then a straight line again. M. N is also very easy like M only. Okay. Take it from the red line till the blue line. Then from the red line till the blue line again a slanting line, and then a straight line from the red line till the second blue line. Yes. Did you get it? Very good. So from this first red line till the second blue line, straight line. Then a slanting line like this. And then again a straight line like this. Okay. L, M, N. Then we'll go to O. O is a beautiful curved circle. Okay. Don't make a small circle like this. This is wrong. Okay. Don't make even like this. It is wrong. It should be a beautiful round circle. Okay. So practice. So I had told you in the slanting lines, in the curved lines, how to draw a nice circle. So take it from the red line, you go to the blue line, second blue line, come up and then make a nice circle. O. Okay. Then now we have P. P is straight line from the red line till the blue line and then a curved line from there till the first blue line. Okay. Yes. Now you write a straight line from the red line till the second blue line and then make a nice curve till the first blue line. Okay. It is capital P. Now you have completed this page. So what we are going to do, we are going to take the second page. Okay. So you can write on this page and then on the back side also. Okay. So some children by mistake they will not write on this page. That is wrong. You have to use both sides of the 4-line book. Okay. P. Now we will write a beautiful Q. Again O. Write a nice O. Okay. And then what you have to do is you have to write a small S over here. See? Q. Okay. Right from the starting and then go up O and then from the middle blue you make a nice curve like this. Q. See, when you write, this is the only gift which we can give to God. Okay. Always remember, God has given us so many beautiful things, right? So we have to give something to God. So what can we give? We can give either beautiful handwriting. So, and our beautiful thoughts. When your thoughts are beautiful, your handwriting will also be beautiful. Okay. So keep a calm mind when you're writing and then start writing slowly. So from the red line till the blue line, second blue line, and then make a curve like this, curve like this, and then R. Okay. See? Yes. Now again, take a straight line from the red line till the blue line. Make a curve like this till the first blue line and then a straight line and a small curve. R. Okay. Then S. S is beautiful. Okay. S. See? S is very easy, right? S. Yes, S. We have learned the curved lines, how to write. So, S. Then T. Sleeping line on the red line and then straight line till the second blue line. Very easy, right? Yes. T. Sleeping line on the first line, first red line and straight line till the second blue line. R, S, T. Yes. Then we have a U, beautiful U. See, when you write, keep your back straight, okay? You don't have to bend and sleep and write. Your handwriting will not come correct. So, straight back and then you write U. Start from near the margin. Start from the red line till the blue line, go up. Yes. And then come down again. Okay? See, U. From the red line, go till the blue line. And then again take it up till the red line and bring it down like this. U. Okay. Then we'll write a beautiful V. See, start from the red line, the slanting line till the second blue line. Okay. And from the second blue line, go up till the red line. Did you get it? Yes. U, V. Okay. V from the red line, a slanting line till the second blue line. And then we'll go up from the second blue line till the red line. Okay. V. Now we will start again the second, that is W. It will start from the margin, near the margin. Okay. Because we are taking a new line. So right from the starting red line, come down a slanting line. See, like this. W. Okay. Then again a slanting line in the middle of the blue line. and then again down, okay, and then again up. You take it up. So like this, W, okay. So see, as and when I tell, you also do the same thing. Then it will be easy for you. See, take a red line, from the red line, go to the second blue line. Did you get it? Yes, do all of you like this. And then from the second blue line till the middle blue line, take it up. Then from the middle blue line till the second blue line, take it down. Yes, W. And then from the second blue line till the upper red line, you take it up like this. Okay, W. Then X is very easy. From the red line till the second blue line. Okay, take a slanting line. And then from the red line till the second, opposite side, you have to do a second slanting line. See this? It should come like a cross. But the meeting of the cross should be in the second. If you do like this, it is wrong. Okay? Even like this, if you do, it is wrong. Okay? So you have to take the rubber if you are wrong, and then you have to rub it out. Okay, very good. So we'll do X. X is a slanting line from the red line to the second blue line, and from this red opposite side, you take it to the opposite side of the second blue line. Okay? X. Now we are nearing to our end of the capital letter. Are you happy? I think all of you have learned how to write. Okay? X. Then we write Y. Y again till here, till the second blue line. And then you take from the red line till the second blue line, and then make a nice sleeping line like this. Okay? From the red line till the first blue line, take a slanting line, and again the opposite side, take a slanting line, go down till the second blue line and take a sleeping line. X, Y and Z. Z is very easy. See, sleeping line. On the red line, second you take it down till the second blue line, a slanting line, and then again a sleeping line. Isn't it very easy? Yes. On the red line, take a sleeping line, take a slanting line till the second blue line, and again on the blue line you put a sleeping line. Very good. So that's very nice. You have completed the first capital letters A to Z. Okay, let us revise again. See, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Okay, then we have Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Okay. Then now I will teach you some exercises because your hands will be paining, right? So hold your hands like this. Okay. And then you fold it. See, you do like this 5 times. Okay. And then you have to take the fingers and do turning the fingers like this. Because you hold the pencil, you're always going to, these fingers will start paining. Sometimes, it pains over here. So, do like this. Yes. And then you hold the wrist and then turn your wrist inside out. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then again out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Is it not exciting? Yes. And then you do like this. And then see how relaxed you feel, right? Your hands and fingers are very light now. Okay, so now you can write pages and pages together. So now I have taught you to write only 2 times. Okay, what you have to do, you have to write A on the full page. Okay, just write A on the full page. Then you take the next page, write B like that. So all the 26 letters in the alphabet you should write on one whole page. Okay. So I think you will be doing this exercise and show me tomorrow. Okay, thank you, children. So now we have learned how to write the capital letters. Thank you very much and for paying attention, and I hope that you will be doing the exercises from A to Z, writing the whole page. Okay. So thank you for joining Sri Sathya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. I want you to join and also subscribe for this channel. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sai Ram.